Hey guys, how it's going? Welcome back to the channel. It's a pleasant morning. I feel blessed this morning. The sun is out. It's a nice day to the work today. So I'm on my way downtown to do a project that I was working on. I already finished the brickwork and the stonework. Now they call me to do the landscaping. So we got a bit of a flagstone. Gonna show you guys in this video how I do it. And I have some retaining wall coming up and some paver. I'm gonna show you a looks of the house and show you what we have here going on. But if you're new here, please click that subscribe button, click the notification bell as well, so when I upload new video you'll get notified. Let's dive right into the video, guys. We're doing the step now, so we're gonna line out the step first. So basically what we're doing now, guys, we're basically lining out, spread it out first, and then afterward we're gonna lay our mortar. So guys, basically the stone, all of the stone coming in 24 by 24. So now we have to cut them up so we could change up the pattern and get a bit of pattern inside of the stone. So right now I'm just cutting them in half and in like 1 foot by 1 foot. I'm splitting it in half this way and then splitting in half this way so that I can play with the pattern. Guys, as you see here, this is basically just a roughly dry layout I did here. That's basically a dry layout. So guys, this is the way you stack. This is the way you stack your stone. This way it's easier for you to remove it next time. You see, you just hold it like this. And the next one you hold like this, hold it like that. So basically that's how you stack it whenever you're doing a flagstone. So guys, basically we don't want to have our mortar too wet nor too dry. So basically you want to have it on a... Alright, so this is basically perfect for it. It's important whenever you lay your stone, always try to compact the head with the mortar. Just push it down like so. And here the same. Guys, here we want to always park or beside our stone at all times. This way, whenever you bang it down, you have your room for the mortar to spread over to that section of the stone. in case you have a cut where put the cut side to the wall. Basically, flagstone you have a lot of gritty, so it's difficult for you to use your level. So you have to braid it out to have the fall before you even start laying. And this is basically the way you test to know if you use your finger to gauge to see whether or not, because it's not easy to level the flagstone. Because it's a lot of uneven. So I'm going to work with a 3/8 joint. That's the side joint we're going to go with this stone, a 3/8. Until I go everywhere. Put it that way like so. Because we want to basically avoid the mortar from touching the stone. Sometimes the mortar itself can stain the stone. We don't want that, guys. Yeah, man. I want to make sure we have fall so that the water runs off. The water run off easily, guys. It's always good to damp your surface before installing your stone. So guys, the reason why I'm chopping this, it helps to band the stone onto the wall. Basically you're getting some niche into the wall. So here, as you see here, I start here with a half a stone instead of a full one like this piece, so that I can break the joint of the full one here. Guys, it's very important to always wet your stone, because the sawdust after you cut it usually stick onto the stone, and you don't want the mortar doesn't band properly with the sawdust. So guys, if you wanna add a bit of concrete well or any form of glue to your mortar when you're doing the joint, help to band it the mortar and onto the stone. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so when I upload new video you get notified, and please give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you.